66 million years ago, a mountain-sized asteroid exceeding 6 miles in diameter hurtled towards Earth at a staggering speed of 40,000 miles per hour. This colossal space rock, traveling faster than a speeding bullet, was on a collision course with our planet, carrying with it the power to reshape the world as we know it. This celestial interloper, destined to forever alter the course of life on our planet, slammed into the shallow waters off the coast of what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The force of the impact was so immense that it created a crater over 110 miles wide, forever marking the landscape. The impact unleashed an unimaginable cataclysm, dwarfing anything witnessed in human history. The explosion was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, sending debris and dust high into the atmosphere. The impact sent shockwaves rippling through the Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude and unleashing volcanic eruptions across the globe. These seismic activities reshaped the Earth's surface, creating new mountain ranges and deepening ocean basins. The immediate blast wave vaporized everything in its path, while molten rock, ejected from the impact site, rained down upon the unsuspecting planet. This fiery rain ignited wildfires that spread rapidly, consuming vast swaths of land. The skies darkened as colossal tsunamis, taller than skyscrapers, surged across continents, leaving devastation in their wake. These massive waves obliterated coastal regions, sweeping away everything in their path and altering the geography of the planet forever. In the immediate aftermath of the impact, the Earth transformed into a fiery inferno, a scene straight out of an apocalyptic nightmare. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, instantly igniting wildfires that raged across continents, consuming everything in their path with an insatiable hunger. These wildfires incinerated forests and turned vast landscapes into smoldering ash, leaving behind a desolate and charred wasteland. The searing heat radiating from the impact site and the ensuing infernos boiled away bodies of water and baked the Earth's surface, causing the ground to crack and split. Creatures unfortunate enough to be caught in the open perished within minutes, succumbing to the intense heat and suffocating air, their bodies left as grim reminders of the catastrophe. The skies, once filled with the sounds of life, fell eerily silent, punctuated only by the crackle of flames and the rumble of distant earthquakes, as the Earth itself seemed to mourn the devastation. The dinosaurs, rulers of the planet for over 180 million years, found themselves facing an unprecedented threat to their existence, a cataclysmic event that would forever alter the course of life on Earth. While the immediate aftermath of the impact proved instantly fatal for countless creatures, some dinosaurs, particularly those sheltered underground or in water, might have initially survived the inferno. These fortunate few, however, faced a grim and uncertain future. The world they knew, a world teeming with lush vegetation and abundant life, had been transformed into a desolate wasteland. The air, thick with ash and smoke, made breathing difficult, while the lack of sunlight hampered photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of food chains. Herbivorous dinosaurs, deprived of their primary food source, began to starve, their dwindling numbers unable to sustain the larger carnivores that preyed upon them. The delicate balance of the ecosystem had been irrevocably disrupted. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the true extent of the catastrophe became horrifyingly clear. The world as it was known had changed forever, and the scale of the devastation was beyond anything imaginable. The impact had ejected trillions of tons of debris into the atmosphere, enveloping the Earth in a thick shroud of dust and soot. This blanket of particles hung in the air, blocking out the sun and altering the climate drastically. This global dust cloud blocked out the sun's rays, plunging the planet into a state of perpetual twilight. The once bright and vibrant world was now cloaked in a dim, eerie glow, with the sun barely piercing through the thick haze. The lack of sunlight had a devastating impact on plant life. Without the essential light needed for photosynthesis, plants began to wither and die, unable to produce the energy required for survival. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, ground to a halt. This disruption in the fundamental process of life had far-reaching consequences for the entire ecosystem. With the base of the food chain decimated, herbivorous dinosaurs faced starvation, their once thriving populations dwindling with each passing day. The lush landscapes they once roamed were now barren and lifeless. Carnivorous dinosaurs, reliant on herbivores for sustenance, soon followed suit. Their reign as apex predators came to an end in a world devoid of prey, as the delicate balance of the ecosystem collapsed under the weight of the catastrophe. The asteroid impact did not result in the instantaneous extinction of all dinosaurs. Instead, it triggered a chain reaction of catastrophic events that gradually extinguished these magnificent creatures over a prolonged period. The initial heat blast, wildfires and tsunamis claimed countless lives, but it was the long-term environmental consequences that proved truly devastating. The prolonged darkness caused by the global dust cloud led to a global winter, causing temperatures to plummet. This dramatic climate change, coupled with the collapse of the food chain, pushed countless species beyond the brink of survival. The dinosaurs, once masters of their domain, slowly succumbed to starvation, disease, and the inability to adapt to the rapidly changing environment. Fossil evidence paints a poignant picture of the dinosaurs' final days. Discoveries in the Hell Creek Formation, a geological treasure trove spanning the late Cretaceous period, suggest that some dinosaur species might have clung to existence for several 100,000 years after the asteroid impact. These fossils, representing the last vestiges of a dying breed, provide invaluable insights into the prolonged extinction process. The discovery of dinosaur eggshells dating back to the years following the impact suggests that some dinosaurs continued to reproduce, albeit in dwindling numbers. However, the fossil record also reveals a stark decline in dinosaur diversity and population size, indicating that these resilient creatures were fighting a losing battle against an unforgiving environment. The asteroid impact did not affect all dinosaur species equally. Smaller dinosaurs, particularly those with omnivorous diets, proved more adaptable to the harsh conditions. Their ability to scavenge for food, coupled with their lower metabolic demands, gave them a distinct advantage in the struggle for survival. Larger dinosaurs, on the other hand, accustomed to abundant food and stable environments, found it increasingly difficult to adapt. Their massive size made them reliant on vast quantities of food, a luxury no longer available in the post-impact world. As food sources dwindled, these giants of the Mesozoic era slowly faded into extinction, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. While the asteroid impact marked the end of the reign of the non-avian dinosaurs, it paved the way for the rise of their avian descendants, the birds. Fossil evidence overwhelmingly suggests that birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs, a group that included iconic carnivores like Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor. These feathered dinosaurs, already possessing many avian traits such as feathers, hollow bones, and a wishbone, proved remarkably adaptable to the changing environment. Their ability to fly allowed them to escape the harshest conditions, while their small size and diverse diets enabled them to exploit new ecological niches. The precise timeline of the dinosaurs' extinction remains a subject of ongoing scientific debate. While the asteroid impact is widely accepted as the primary catalyst, the extinction process was likely complex and multifaceted, influenced by a confluence of factors. Volcanic eruptions, already underway in what is now India, might have exacerbated the environmental crisis, releasing massive quantities of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and contributing to climate change. The impact itself might have triggered further volcanic activity, compounding the environmental devastation. The reign of the dinosaurs, spanning over 180 million years, came to an end not with a bang, but with a whimper. The asteroid impact, a cosmic event of unimaginable proportions, set in motion a chain of events that ultimately led to the demise of these magnificent creatures. The dinosaurs' extinction serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life. The fossil record, a testament to their existence, paints a poignant picture of their final days, a slow and agonizing decline brought about by a world in turmoil. The dinosaurs, however, did not vanish entirely. Their legacy lives on in the form of birds, their feathered descendants who inherited the mantle of avian dominance. The extinction of the dinosaurs marked a turning point in Earth's history, paving the way for the rise of mammals and ultimately, the evolution of humans. Their story serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of understanding our planet's past to safeguard its future. The dinosaurs, once giants who ruled the Earth, now captivate our imaginations, inspiring awe and wonder. Their fossils, silent witnesses to a bygone era, offer invaluable insights into the history of life and the forces that have shaped our planet. The study of dinosaurs continues to captivate scientists and the public alike, reminding us of the enduring power of discovery and the importance of preserving our planet's rich biodiversity.